Look at this. What do you see? Most people see nothing. They see dirt. They see weeds. They see empty space. But the visionary sees a mansion. This is where everyone starts. I don't care who you are. Elon Musk, Oprah, Jordan, they all started right here. The blank canvas, the 0 point. And let me tell you something, this stage is terrifying because there's no proof yet. There's no applause. There's just you and an audacious idea in your head that everyone else thinks is crazy. This empty lot is where most dreams come to die. Why? Because the gap between what is and what could be feels too big. It feels impossible. The fear of starting paralyzes people. They stand on the edge of this grass, paralyzed by the potential for failure. But listen to me. Greatness isn't found in the finished product. Greatness is found in the audacity to look at a patch of dirt and decide you're going to build a legacy on it. You have to see it before you see it. You have to believe in the blueprint when the ground is still flat. If you are standing at the beginning right now, feeling overwhelmed by how far you have to go, good. That means your vision is big enough. Don't run from that fear. Step onto the dirt.
So, you decided to build. You committed. What's next? The glamour? The ribbon cutting? No. Next comes the dirtiest, hardest, least appreciated part of the entire process, the foundation. Look at this image. You have to dig down before you can build up. You have to get in the trenches. This is the part of success that nobody puts on Instagram. This is the late nights. This is the studying when everyone else is partying. This is saving that extra dollar instead of buying the new shoes. This is the discipline.
The foundation is boring. It's repetitive. And here's the kicker. When the house is done, nobody even sees it. It gets buried. Are you willing to do the work that gets buried? Are you willing to do the work that no one will ever thank you for? Because if you aren't, do not expect the structure to stand. People want the penthouse view without pouring the basement concrete. It doesn't work like that. If you cheat this stage, I guarantee you, when the storms of life hit, and they will hit, your whole dream will collapse. Your integrity, your work ethic, your daily habits, that is your concrete. Pour it thick, pour it deep, make it unbreakable.
Now we're moving. The frame goes up. This stage is tricky. It's excited because you finally see the shape of the dream. It's starting to look like something. But look closer. It's vulnerable. It's full of holes. The wind blows right through it. If a heavy rain comes now, it's going to make a mess inside. This is the messy middle of your journey. This is when you've started a business, but you aren't making a profit yet. This is when you're going to the gym, but you don't see the six-pack yet. You feel exposed. You feel like an imposter. You think, I'm putting in all this effort, but it still looks like a construction site. Listen to me. Do not panic in the messy middle. Trust the blueprint. When you are in this stage, you need resilience. You need to slap that plywood on the walls. You need to get the roof on. You need to protect what you are building. You cannot let the opinions of others blow through your structure like the wind. You cannot let temporary setbacks rot your beams. You have to keep swinging the hammer, even when it feels like you're just making noise. You are giving structure to your vision. Keep framing. Now look at it. The siding is on. The windows are in. The roof is sealed. Suddenly, the neighbors stop laughing. Suddenly, the people who doubted you start asking, "Hey, how did you do that?" The vision is becoming undeniable. But this is a dangerous moment. This is where complacency kills more dreams than fear ever did. You see the finish line, so you start walking instead of running. You think, it's good enough. Good enough is the enemy of great. Look at the details in this image, the trim work, the way the windows are sealed, the quality of the finish. Now is the time to double down on excellence. Don't cut corners in the final quarter. The difference between a shack and a mansion is in the details. It's in the execution of the small things when you are exhausted. Finish strong. Respect the work you've already put in by completing it with excellence. Don't leave the job site until it's done right.
And here we are, the finished product. Look at that structure. It stands solid. It's beautiful. It is exactly what was envisioned back when it was just dirt and weeds. When people see your success, this is the only image they will see. They will say you got lucky. They will say you were an overnight success. They didn't see the excavation. They didn't see you in the mud pouring the concrete. They didn't see you working in the rain to get the roof on. But you saw it. You lived it. And here is the ultimate truth about this entire journey. The greatest reward isn't the house. The greatest reward isn't the money, the title, or the fame. The greatest reward is who you became in the process of building it. You became disciplined. You became resilient. You became a visionary trapped in a world of realists. You took nothing and turned it into something. The house is just wood and stone, but the builder, you are now unbreakable. So take a moment, admire your work, breathe it in, and then find another empty lot and start digging again. Because builders build. That's what we do. Go get to work.